What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are not in the garage. We're in our studio, the Lego room as we call it too. I wanted to set up a new helmet I got, and I figured you guys would want to watch that, so I didn't do an unboxing. I'm sorry, I was too excited. I already got it unboxed. Here it is. This is my old one. We're gonna just use that for a decorative piece, I guess, now, or we might destroy it. Whichever. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see we do to it. Leave it in the comment down below. But this is the new one. This is the HJC CL91. It does not come with the smoke lens on the front. It came with this little clear pin lock version. And I went with the dark smoke one, which I do like, but I actually ordered this before I found out about a transition pin lock you can get. So we'll be swapping back to that one when I get the pin lock that transitions. We'll just get this one for extra. And it does have the flip down visor, which I like that as well. Which that one does not have. This helmet here is probably 12 years old, maybe more. Well, maybe 10, maybe 11, I don't know. It's pretty old. I know you're supposed to replace them every so many years, and if you have an accident, you're supposed to replace it too. I've had 2 accidents with this helmet, and didn't hit the helmet on the ground, but you know, you're supposed to swap it out anyway, so. But enough with the old, in with the new. I do already have my SENA on there. It's not actually mine, but it's a buddy, my best friend's. He let me borrow it to put it on mine. He has 2 of them, so we can chit chat when we ride together. We have a big ride coming up in about a month, so y'all stay tuned for that video. That should be an awesome video. 10 days on the road on a motorcycle. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, I got the SENA on this side. I think it's a 50S. I think that's what it is. And it's got the speakers already internally wired. I already did all that yesterday. Sorry I didn't film any of that. But today we are hooking up this helmet here. It's got my GoPro mount on the front for the moto vlogs with the purple PANDA microphone. And the purple Pandas are cheap enough. I picked up another one. And I got a different style GoPro mount for the front chin mount. We're going to be doing that today, so. Okay, that took forever. I was trying to find my little housing for my GoPro 7 and the little audio adapter, because I like to stick all that on the front to kind of line everything up. That way the shield still opens with the GoPro tilted all the way back. Give me just a minute. Alright, this is how it sits, like, it'll sit like that, so. We're going to use the little bag that the helmet came with to lean it back and do all this stuff too. Let me stick it on there, then I'll show you what I've got. I guess we can open it first and I'll show you what all it comes with. It comes with this little different style thing that kind of wraps around the front of the helmet like that. And it has these 3M sticky pads, a little lanyard in case it falls off. I doubt I'll use that. A thumb screw and a wrench, which I probably have 3 of those things. But let me look at it here real quick and then I will come back. Okay, so we're going to have to use the little arm piece and then we'll stick it like as far down as we can get it, and then we can still adjust the camera. So it's alright. That's how I got it stuck on there. You can see how the little thing kind of wraps around the sides and on that side there, so. And then it kind of sticks out like that, so. Alright. So I ride like this most of the time, so my camera is straight. Let's get a thumbnail, I guess. Why don't we? getting really good at scratching this son of a bitch up, I know that. Alright, but that is the setup there. So you can see the camera on the front with the mount that wraps around with that 3M tape. And I still can hit my button to open the lid and close it like I need to. The next thing we're going to change is this boom mic. We're going to change it out for this guy, which I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do that, but we'll figure it out together. Oh, you have to unmount it from this freaking helmet. Dadgummit. Good thing I got my tools over here. I have to unmount the SENA to unplug this boom mic and then plug this other one in. Wow, that's a pain in the butt. I got the other one off. Now we'll put this other one on. I guess that's plugged in. Alright, now these can go back. Oh, I know what that does now. I'm stupid. What the hell? What the hell? Where did freaking... Alright, so... here's our next predicament. Well, that's a long microphone, jeez. What I might do is put it behind that pad right there so it just comes out like that, maybe? Sometimes these things can be a pain in the butt. Ah! Perfect. Got all that real estate back there. Run it down there like that. This guy, chill right there. Oh, perfecto. You don't want to over tighten these screws because they're just into plastic, so. Okay, well, I found a solution that works. Instead of putting it up here, I put it down here where it's kind of on the bottom part of my chin. And with it closed, I tested it out, called the wife. She can hear me just fine, so we're going to go with that. So now I have to figure out to put the purple panda up here. And the last one, I drilled a hole in it. I kind of don't want to do that, but it happens. So we'll see. Let me take this thing off and we'll open that up. That is the helmet with no front piece on it. Okay, this is just the front chin guard. Oh, that thing is closed and it's like right there when it's closed. So the last one I had to open up, take this piece off, and then put the wires inside that. So let's see what kind of real estate is in there. Oh, real estate. Pop open the purple panda real quick. Comes in this neat little bag. That's all kinds of warnings and doodads. Nobody cares. Comes in a nice little bag. You can put your vitamins in there. But you got your adapter, the actual microphone, an extension for the microphone, don't need that, a clip, don't need that, and your little windsock, we need that, and a little USB to lightning adapter. Alright, so all we need is this guy. The lapel clip off, don't need that. So now, I'm going to have to drill a hole, it's like, and I'll put it over here to the side. Get a hole big enough just for that guy, just for the tip. That's all you need, just the tip. Alright, welcome back. Alright, so this is the inside of that piece on the inside of the helmet. We got the microphone installed here. This will be for the GoPro. Now, I know there's a way you can hook up the SENA to the GoPro, but this way I can still open the helmet and everything, have full range of motion without having to worry about hiding wires or in the past for this one, before I discovered the blue pandas, I had a microphone gaff taped to the side of the helmet. This eliminates all that, so we'll have 2 microphones in the helmet, one for phone calls, one for vlogging. Just is what it is. I found this a good setup, so that's what we're going to go with. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the microphone to kind of hold it in. And on the back here, there's this little cavity right here where the vent comes through. I'm going to roll up all the excess wire right there, and it's going to be perfect. There goes that right there. Those aren't snips. Citizen snips. Citizen snips? Was that SpongeBob? Hot glue gun's a man's best friend. This way, with this wire kind of tucked in like that, the wind still will allow the vent to work. Alrighty, now I will show you what we did. You see the cord all super glued and fastened inside there, and the microphone is over there. This cord will be running out the front of the helmet. Oh heck yeah, dude, that's perfect. Look at that, everything lines up. This guy just plugs right in right there. Not as long as I thought it would be, but who cares? We got the plate back on. You can't really tell anything is different except for we got a little microphone over here now. And I was looking at the original little factory thing that came on it. Maybe we can use that. So this thing is huge. It'll give you a lot of real estate in the front of these helmets. So we'll try that. Slip it back on here. Doesn't have to be stupid tight, just snug. Half an ugga-dugga. Now we shall, let's see, let's just try it without the lower face shield first. I like it, it's way over here. I can feel it, but it's not in the way. Not overly obtrusive. So yeah, that's all self-contained up there. And it stays with the GoPro, so. And then this is the microphone, which you guys know for the SENA, which is over here. She is wired. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Me setting up my new helmet. And yes, I did take the logos off. It says an HJC, but I took the logos off of the front and the back. I left the little DOT thing on the back there for legality reasons. I just don't like branding. I just think it looks better, you know, all black like that. Which it was supposed to be a flat black helmet, and I got this, which it's okay. I like it. It's a lot better than that one, a lot safer. So, and I can actually hear going down the road, like talking on the phone, which that's a big plus. Because me and a buddy, we go to on our little road trip here. In about a month, we'll be able to talk to each other, chit chat going down the interstate, and it won't be so boring. So, like I said, appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions or comments on this helmet or anything I used, just leave them down below there in the comment section. All this will be linked in the description, so go ahead and check that out if you want to order one of these pieces or parts or the helmet. Don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe for us, and we will see you in the next video.